तो मर गया होए, शदाई मुझे कर गया होए, और रब्बा मैं तो मर गया होए, शदाई मुझे कर गया होए.
The songs of the movie. A lot's been said about the music. What's your favorite?
Rabba. I really like that song.
I'm not asking you to sing it. But I am going to...
God bless you for that.
Thank you. But I'm going to ask you to sing another Mausam song. Will you do that for me?
It's
raining. It's raining.
It's raining.
You're lying. You're singing the song. Oh my God.
मेरा दिल खो रहा है, रो रहा है. It's crying. It's crying.
Yeah, I used to do the accent also.
तेरे लिए. I can go around you also. तेरे लिए. And then I have to come back because the wire will be.
Okay.
No,
ये मौसम का जादू है मितवा.
Okay, Talia, this is very cool. Okay, now of course coming back to Mausam the movie, and part of it has been in controversy of late.
Which controversy?
Over that whole dogfight thing and the Air Force not giving you NOC. Does this have to happen with every movie, and how do you guys feel about it at the end of the day?
This is a very different situation. I think this is about getting a clearance from the Indian Air Force, which is something which has been on the agenda for us always. We've made this whole film in association with them. We've made this whole film taking every possible permission that we can, making sure they supervise everything. And yes, it is a bit last minute, but eventually whatever will come out will be something which...
But it's been cleared apparently.
Yeah, apparently it's been cleared, but there was a 30-second portion which was in question, and I think we've made sure that they are also happy with it, and Dad doesn't feel that anything has been taken away from the film. But yeah, I think because a film is so vulnerable. Now we're talking in general about the fact that you were saying there's always a controversy. Because films are so vulnerable to the fact that you announce the release date of a film almost 2 months before it releases, and you cannot have a print of the film ready till maybe a maximum of 10 days before. Otherwise, there are issues of piracy and various other issues. So because it's just that 10-day period, people take advantage of it, and it's very unfortunate, and there should be something done about that. There should be some kind of a law introduced which says that there has to be some time period attached to when somebody can make a claim, because they know that there is a Friday when the film has to release, and so
जाता नुक्स निकाले काम ढाम गाना, जाता नुक्स निकाले काम ढाम गाना, और समुंदर जाके उसने इतना ही जाना, सज धज के दर्शन में रहना, सज धज के दर्शन में रहना.
Sonam, talking about love. From what I've read so far, there are two things that of course stand out with you. One of course is the whole Muchis bit, which comes from your dad. And that doesn't fit into this movie completely. How do you manage that?
My dad has a mustache, and I love him with a mustache, and I think I find it really dapper and handsome. And
you also like men in uniform?
I like men in uniform. I think all women like men in uniform.
Okay.
I think it's a prerequisite of good-looking, handsome men, and every Mills and Boon's famous character is a man in uniform. So Shahid was fortunate enough to be a girl's fantasy.
How important do you think the whole icon bit is?
I mean, calling me an icon at the age of 26 is kind of strange, because earning an icon...
Reverse, wouldn't that be a good thing for you?
It is a good thing for me. It's really good.
Is there too much to stand up for?
No. But like someone's telling me you're an icon, like getting an iconic status in any sense of the word, whether it's for fashion or whether it's for anything, at such a young age is kind of scary. But it's just that I think it's all about just being yourself and doing what you love and enjoying yourself.
One reason why everybody should go and watch this movie.
One is because it's a classical film in the true form, in the true sense, and I think even if I say so myself, I think Shahid and I share great chemistry, and I think that's what makes a really beautiful romantic film, and that's why, and it's an entertainer.
I think my father's worked for 36 years, and people have loved him in every possible way for all the roles that he's played. This is the first time he's making a Hindi commercial mainstream film as a director, and I think to me that is why Mausam is different and new from everything else that I think has been out there or I have done as an actor. It's a very fresh perspective and it's a very, very new, fresh script which has a little bit of everything like Sonam was saying. It has comedy, it has romance, it has drama, it has emotion, and in every frame I think it's different from what any other film looks like, and I think that's what people want to see today. Beyond that, I think the audience is very intelligent. They see promos and decide for themselves. If they like it, it's releasing on the 16th, and I hope they go and watch it.
They all
won't be
go and watch
disappointed. Inshallah.
Definitely, we'll all go and watch it. All the best to you guys, and all the best to the film, and of course, may Mausam take off.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
सज धज के दर्शन में रहना, सज धज के दर्शन में रहना,